Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix apps not working in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection, and after that open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option my phone. Now click on it and then click on check for updates. Now here you can check your updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and scroll down and click on system and then click on reset phone. Now click on reset all settings and then click on erase all data. It will reset all the settings in your device. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.